pag-engage
Yes.
parang kaya, ganyan.
Yes.
Galaw-galaw.
Yes.
He's gaining confidence.
Yes.
Uy, ganda ng red movement.
Lumalabas na yung decorated amateur from Boracay, and Mark Agbay, this is his second fight. First fight, panalo with one knockout.
Yeah, and kanina sinabi mo nga, Casimero, Milindo, tingnan natin kung anong ipapakita niyang style.
So southpaw itong ating pro debut na si Rolimar Napase. Magandang connection yon, ha?
Very aggressive kagad ni si Agbay. Talagang pinapakita niya ang kanyang pagiging angas ng Misamis. Shoutout pala sa mga taga Boracay din. Oh, shoot!
Tinamaan si Napase doon ng isang left from Agbay. Agbay has the slight experience advantage. He has already won professional fight. He won that fight via knockout. Itong si Napase, medyo kinakabahan pa ito from amateur. Bagong tawid lang ito. And tinamaan na naman doon sa dibdib si Napase, which is a scoring zone pa rin, Pao.
Yeah. I mean, this is a good test for Napase as he tried to see that he belongs. Kasi nakausap yung keeper, sabi niya, they expect a lot from Napase. And ito na, the aggression. Itong Agbay. Iba talaga pag medyo baguhan talaga, no? You wanna see them polish, pero iba yung action pag mga bago. Medyo may gigil talaga eh.
Makikita mo, Pao, yung difference talaga ng style. And the difference also in stance, which medyo kinakabahan ako dito kasi mukhang may pula na sa kilay nitong si Napase. And ano kasi yan very vulnerable for headbutt kapag polar opposites yung dalawang boksingero, one southpaw and one orthodox.
That is correct. And ito, the way itong si Agbay bumabato talaga hook after hook, and he is looking for that kill. Uy!
Makikita mo talaga rin yung amateur pedigree nitong si Napase. Agbay is the more aggressive. Agbay is trying to bully the newcomer. Para siyang sophomore bullying the rookie in a game. Ito ngayon, Pao, ibang klase ito. First round pa lang, bugbugan na.
Speaking of bugbugan, that is a good counter right hand. Tumama agad. It seems like mas malakas yung suntok ni Agbay. Mas malalakas yata yung bato niya dito.
Agbay is, sa tingin ko, naka-adjust na siya sa professional ranks. He is now nagde-defend na siya sa kanyang power, no? At si Napase is still in his amateur mode, jab, tapos galaw. However, Agbay is hurting him a few times dito sa round na ito. Pero tumama si Napase doon, Pao.
That's good. Magaling bagay din yung kanyang style. Medyo mas pulido naman yung galaw ni Napase. But again, it seems like the power of Agbay is kinda medyo nagpapakita din sa first round. Narinig na natin yung clapper. And that's it.
It's the end of
in the ring. Round number 2.
Yan na, Napase wants this round back. He lost that first round, medyo ano siya ron? O yun, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo.
He's doing the right thing.
Yes.
Huwag makipag-engage
Yes.
Parang kaya, ganyan.
Yes.
Galaw-galaw.
Yes.
He's gaining confidence.
Yes.
Uy, ganda ng red movement.
Lumalabas na yung amateur pedigree, yung amateur style ni Napase. And
medyo first round kasi medyo may kaba ng konti.
correct.
Second round, ito na.
Correct. Alam mo naman ang mga boksingero, Pao, lahat yan matapang. Mukhang nasaktan sa katawan si Agbay doon, ha? Nasaktan sa katawan, ha? Medyo napangiti. At alam mo naman, Pao, pag ang boksingero ay ngumingiti, nasaktan yan.
Correct. Yan nga ang sinasabi natin, no? And ito na ang bugbugan. Nangyayari na nga. Round 2 pa lamang tayo. First fight pa lamang, guys. Meron pa rin 4 na paparating. Good.
Slam bang affair. Sabi ko sa iyo, Pao, this is a 50-50 fight. Agbay got the first round. Now, Napase wants to even up the first 2 rounds para makuha niya itong medyo maganda itong ginawa ni Agbay dito.
There you go. Right. Okay, this is a new boxer. So, siyempre, gigil sila. But the thing is, protect yourself at all.
Correct.
Hanggat hindi sinasabi ng referee na hinto.
Correct.
Lang.
Correct. At dalawang boksingero na to, they are polar opposites. Si Agbay wants to lead with his power, Napase wants to lead with his style.
Kung sino ang mas makakapag-implement ng style nila, dalhin yung kanyang kalaban sa style nila, could win.
It's all about timing for both fighters, no? Timing for Napase to execute the game plan to box and to shoot the body, and Agbay to bully Napase into a corner, into a slug fight.
Yes. Wala daw yun. Every time na sinasabi ng boxer na wala, meron yun.
Exactly. That's defense mechanism for them. They want to convince the opponent, but actually they're trying to convince themselves. Medyo nadodominate na ni Napase itong round na to. Agbay was hurt to the body. Medyo Agbay now is more hesitant to attack, and nakikita mo, nakanganga si Agbay. Medyo napagod siya doon. A lot in his gas tank was taken up.
Yeah, that's
because,
what happened.
yes.
Power. If you throw in a lot of power shot, talagang maubusan ka. But again, patapos na itong round na to.
And makita mo talaga, Napase now.
Kind of controlling na, no?
Yes. Komportable na siya sa ring.
Winning the fight. Siyempre, pag sinusuportahan yung boxer, comment nila yung pangalan niya, just comment section niya. Round number 3.
Ito na, tingnan natin yung adjustment ng dalawang fighters. Kasi nag-adjust si Napase sa first round, after the first round, second round, ngayon sa third round.
And again, this is a very critical round, round number 3,
Yes.
4 rounds lamang.
Yes.
So who can ever take this pressure dun sa ano?
Yes.
Sa sunod?
Kasi pag natalo ka sa round na ito, Pao, at walang knockdown, draw na lang ang pag-asa mo.
And there you go. Maganda yung mga patama ngayon na kasi scoring with that left. Good body shots.
Pero naghihintay si Agbay ng isang malakas na counter. Hindi pwedeng pakasiguro itong si Napase, Pao, kasi yung combinations niya, hinihintay lang ni Agbay matapos, kagaya niyan. And Agbay wants to load up and connect that big shot.
Again, although this is our new boxers, they're very impressive. No? Hindi sila talagang parang bago tingnan. They're thinking, they're aggressive, but hindi bara-bara.
At saka itong si Napase, Pao, came all the way from Boracay Island, recruited by Kibor's Boxing Gym of Bacoor, Cavite. Hindi yan magre-recruit ang Kibor's Boxing Gym ng mahihina. Kilala mo naman si Gerald Into, kilala mo naman si John Mindoro, R.R. Andales. These are the quality fighters nitong si Kibor's Boxing Gym. So Napase is a discovery of Kibor's from Boracay Island.
I heard, that's why may nagpapasyawan sa akin si Boboy Charlie Tolosa from Boracay.
Yes, yan si Boboy Tolosa. Shout out sa iyo, Boboy. And boy, I know ito si Napase is your boy. He was your boy and ikaw yung nag-develop nitong Napase. Good job sa iyo, Boboy Tolosa. Keep on doing what you are doing. Develop more good fighters from Boracay and future prospect or baka future world champion.
That's exactly the plan. And again, that's why we appreciate having Solid North part of this for giving us the opportunity to showcase boxing dito sa North. Most of the time, sa South natin nakikita ang boxing. And again, we're very much appreciative of boxing dito po sa Norte, especially dito sa Abra.
Yes, itong third round, makita mo, pinapatuloy lang ni Napase yung kanyang dominance in boxing. And nakikita mo, Pao, ano nakikita mo?
May bukol na. And bukol at lumolobo yung kaliwang ulo nito ni Agbay. That's dangerous, no?
Kasi yun nga sinasabi ko, Pao, kasi Southpaw Orthodox, tapos nagka-counter-ban.
That is exactly what we want to see. A well-matched boxing fight, just like this one. Ito na. Agbay looks to be aggressive. Ito na. Ano yung nasabi natin? I think they know that they need to go ahead here.
Yes, Agbay connecting with the right straight. Agbay now is desperate. Agbay knows that if he loses this round, he will lose this fight. So Agbay wants to make this round close or dominate this round so that he can still salvage this fight.
Right, and the way to do this is to be aggressive. Yun naman yung style na umabante siya kanina, yung siya uma-atake, siya yung nakapasok. Don't let Napase control the fight.
Yes, and
Talaga.
ito kasi pag fourth round na Pao, fourth round na, buhos na lahat. Sabi nga ng mga trainers, wala nang boxing bukas.
Exactly.
Huling round na ito, buhos mo na lahat.
Especially, no, nasa kamay mo pa ang pwedeng manalo, kaya talagang ibibigay mo na.
Medyo naapektuhan si Agbay doon sa kanyang bukol ha. Medyo hinahawakan niya yung bukol niya at medyo nagki-clinch na tong si Agbay, showing a little bit of fatigue. Ngayon lang tayo nakakita ng ganyan. Si Agbay kanina was super aggressive pero humawak na siya, no? And both fighters are a little bit gassed na. And syempre, fourth round na ito eh. Mga 4-rounders ito eh. So dapat talaga ubusin na nila lahat ng hangin nila dito sa fourth round.
Tingnan natin ngayon, just a few more minutes.
Medyo close round ito pa, ha? Itong fourth round, I can say, medyo wala pang nakaka-dominate dito. May mga connections pareho. Agbay had early in this round, Agbay connected with some rights. Now, Napase is trying to execute again the amateur style that he knows. And ngayon, nakikita natin si Napase and Agbay trying to win the fight.
Correct. Napatingin pa dito si Napase, as if to say, I can do this. And I think he's kind of controlling the fight now. Full of aggression. Minsan nauuna pa siya mag-engage, which is exactly the right thing to do. Round number 4, final round. Huling pagkakataon, impress the judges.
Yes. Ito, buhos na to and bigay mo na lahat. And this, kahit sinong manalo or kahit matalo ka dito sa laban na ito, Pao, walang dapat ikahiya. Either of these fighters, matindi ang ginawa nila dito. They entertain the Abra fans.
Exactly. But of course, this is the start of their career. It's very important na magandang start. 10 seconds. Let's see what else could happen.
Tumama ng magandang body shot si Napase doon. Nasaktan na naman si Agbay doon, Pao. So, tingnan natin kung how the judges will see the last round.
You courts close it 39-37, all to the winner by unanimous decision, Rolimar Napase.